Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the topic pineal gland in vertebrates, its structure and function. So, the pineal gland is a gland of endocrine system responsible for releasing the hormone melatonin. It is the hormone which influences our sleep and wake cycles. Light hitting the eyes stimulates nerves which activate or repress the pineal gland. This gland is also called as pineal body. Earlier, the pineal gland was called as third eye in the primitive vertebrates because it was once believed that the pineal gland allowed you to see into different plane of existence. However, science has shown that pineal gland has major role in influencing our sleep cycle and wakefulness. It secretes the hormone melatonin, and the other substance is also released from the melatonin like many indoles and polypeptides. Its secretion is not only regulated by sympathetic nerve fibers but by other central pinealopetal projections. Its main role is in controlling sleep cycles by secreting melatonin. This hormones modulates our sleep and waking pattern of by affecting different cells within the brain and body. It was first discovered by American physicist Aaron Lerner in 1958, and its role in establishment of circadian rhythm, which is the 24-hour cycle of our bioactivity that matches the solar cycle of the body, was well pronounced. So, pineal gland has emerged as neuroendocrine transducer. This gland also acts as general synchronizing, stabilizing and moderating organ for several physiological processes, and its hormone melatonin has been designated as equilibrium hormone. This gland is also called as epiphysis cerebri. It is important gland in higher vertebrate, and its name pineal gland derived because of its pine cone like structure. It is embryologically derived from the neuroectoderm of diencephalon roof. It is conical in shape, grey body measuring around 5 to 8 mm in length and 3 mm in its greatest width. Its shape is like the rice bran. It is located on the dorsal surface of the brain, and it is embedded between the cerebellum and cerebrum. Its shape is flattened, stalk-like structure, hence it is called as epiphysis. It has sympathetic innervation. It is develops from the neural crest cell of the roof of the diencephalon, a section of the brain, and it is located behind the third cerebral ventricle in the brain midline. In human beings, it is deeply situated in the midline of the brain below the corpus callosum. So, corpus callosum is the nerve tract that connects both the cerebral hemisphere from each other. It has rich supply of adrenergic nerves that greatly influence its function. Microscopically, the gland is composed of the cells which is called as pinealocytes that we will read in further detail of that we will read in further slides. if we will see its gross anatomy, so it has a reddish gray, approximately 5 to 8 mm long, pine cone like structure, which is located in diencephalonic part of the prosencephalon. The gland was formed as an outgrowth of the roof of third ventricle. Therefore, the gland rests between the posterior aspects of the thalami as it projects posteriorly from the wall of the third ventricle. Now the histology of the pineal gland. Pineal gland consists of two types of major cells, pinealocytes and astrocytes. Besides these two connective tissue cells, mast cells, nerve cells, etc. also present. Here is the structure of pinealocytes, which are normally looks like the any nerve cell, and it has all the intracellular cell organelles. This pinealocytes is a neurosecretory cell which has nucleated cell body and structure and all the processes like the normal neuron, and its plasma membrane that surrounds, which is lipoprotein in nature. It has prominent nucleolus and little RNA. Free ribosomes are distributed in the cytoplasm, and dendrite like two short processes also present. If we will see the types of pinealocytes, there are two types of pinealocytes, light and dark pinealocytes. Light pinealocytes are many and large cell types, and its nucleus is normally lobulated. Its cytoplasm is basophilic and devoid of glycogen, and ribosomes are more prominent. Whereas the dark pinealocytes are few in number and comparatively small in size, and its nucleus is also comparatively less lobulated as compared to the dark one. Here the bulk of glycogen droplets are present in the cytoplasm. Now we will see where these pineal glands are located. So this gland is roughly located in the center of the brain, sandwiched between the left and right hemisphere, and its size is approximately like the size of rice grain. Nearly in all existing vertebrate there is the presence of pineal gland. Even they are found in primitive lamprey. It makes sense that pineal gland is primitive organ because it helps to set sleep cycles based on light received in the eyes. But not in all species has conserved the pineal gland, and exception is the hagfish, where prominent pineal gland is absent, and few others are vertebrates are also there where these pineal glands are not evolved. It is this pineal gland remains in the blood-brain barrier, and it receives the second most profuse supply of blood in the body next to the kidney, and its main supply of the blood comes from the cordial branches of posterior cerebral artery. Now the receptor for melatonin. Melatonin is the hormone which is synthesized by pineal gland. So mostly these receptors of melatonin are present in suprachiasmatic nucleus and brain's pituitary gland. Here in the main site of action, as melatonin directly plays into the circadian rhythm over here. I am talking about the suprachiasmatic nucleus, where this melatonin directly regulates the circadian rhythm. But receptor for melatonin are also present in the ovaries, where it regulates the menstrual cycle. Like, it regulates the timing of its onset, its duration, and its frequency. In other animal species, it even acts as mating cues. Like, if there will be the high level of melatonin in horses during the spring season, that that is correlated with the ideal season of mating. And this is also the one of the great example of solar cycle impact on the reproductive cycle via the pineal gland activity. Other melatonin receptors are located in blood vessel, or we can say that on the wall of the blood vessels and our intestinal tracts. In the gut, melatonin protects the mucosal layer from lesions and irritation by eradication of free radicals. If gut lesions will be present, that could be painful, and esophagitis, gastritis, and peptic cancer may occur if there will be the no any role of melatonin over there. Now the melatonin production and release. So the largest, or we can say that bulk amount of melatonin is expelled from the pineal gland during the night, and the midnight is the time where one can found the peak of the melatonin hormone. So during the night the body undergoes several changes that is related with the concentration of the melatonin. The body of internal the body's internal temperature will drop, and the breathing rate obviously goes to slow, and this all are related with the sleep. In daytime, our retinas are exposed to light, and that will inhibit melatonin expression and synthesis. So we can say that melatonin secretion is directly proportional to the darkness and inversely proportional with the presence of light during the daytime. So because of the inhibition of melatonin expression during the day, that make our body alert and awake during the day. Now the function of pineal gland. So pineal gland is one of the most ubiquitous and versatile hormones found in animals. Its nature is lipophilic, and because of that lipophilic nature, it easily reaches to our cells. And once when the pineal gland gets activated, causes the secretion of the hormone melatonin, and its activation occurs when the eye stops receiving signal of bright light. Melatonin are derivative of amino acid tryptophan, and those organisms who take tryptophan rich food, that, or any human being, if in their supplementary diet, if level of tryptophan will be increased, then there it will causes the calming effect, and it reduced anxiety, It also regulates our sleep-wake cycle. It has role in reproduction. Then circadian rhythm is regulated by pineal gland. The, it also affects our mood disorders, and melatonin act as an antioxidant. We will read the each of the function of pineal gland in detail. So the very first one is pineal gland and reproduction. The pineal gland affects reproductive functions by secretion of the hormone melatonin, and whenever there will be the absence of, or there will be the reduction of synthesis of melatonin hormone, suppression of gonadal function is observed. Studies carried out on neuroendocrine reproductive axis that revealed that melatonin acts on the hypothalamic neurons, where it reduces the amplitude and frequency of GnRH secretion, and thereby it has inhibitory effect on the secretion of gonadotropin, and then ultimately it has inhibitory action on the gonads. And in all mammals, including human beings, the onset of puberty has been attributed to the pulsatile secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone by the arcuate nucleus of the hypothalamus. Here, melatonin appears to have a direct and continuous regulatory action on gonadotropin secretion pattern from infancy to the onset of the puberty. And extensive studies resulted that the attainment of puberty in childhood and infancy is delayed because of the action of melatonin, and because of at the time of attainment of puberty there will be the suppression of the synthesis of melatonin that leads to activation of hypothalamus, which results arcuate nucleus to synthesize its hormone gonadotropin releasing hormone, and that GnRH acts on the anterior lobe of pituitary and stimulates the synthesis of LH and FSH that results gonadotropic effect of the gonadotropin. Not only that, this pineal gland, its hormone, that is melatonin, have been reported to regulate the physiological status of the reproductive system on seasonal basis. It means seasonal reproduction is also regulated by the melatonin. The length of photoperiod determines the reproductive competence in many animals, and their gonadal activity is initiated during the short days and inhibited during the long days, and their organisms' innate ability to regulate the breeding according to decisions that is totally related with the melatonin hormone synthesis. It enables them to synchronize their breeding behavior with the most favorable environment and condition, and the chances of survival of their young ones will be great. Now the pineal gland and circadian rhythms. Every organism including human beings has biological periodicity that enable them to regulate their body rhythm according to the environmental cues. So in biological periodicity, the most important one is the circadian rhythm that coincides with the 24-hour light and dark cycle. Under normal conditions, the endogenous rhythms are synchronized with or inherent to external events or by environmental cues or other factors such as light and dark cycle. Our daily rhythms or daily activities such as rest, temperature, electrolyte, cortisol excretion, all the other factors are regulated by the melatonin level. Studies has revealed that there is the presence of biological clock in our body, and that clock is located in the SOSCN suprachiasmatic nucleus of the hypothalamus. And this suprachiasmatic nucleus function is regulated by the melatonin, by regulated by pineal gland by the secretion of the hormone melatonin. Melatonin is one of the naturally occurring substance which affects circadian rhythmicity. It is said that it have a great effect on the central rhythm generating system, and its expression as darkness hormone is well documented. Now the pineal gland and sleep mechanism. Pineal gland has direct regulation with the sleep and wake cycle of our body. It is well documented that it is released during the human sleep, and its probable physiological function is to induce the sleep among the animals, and it prevents our wakefulness. High rate of melatonin secretion during the night is also observed, and its role in induction of sleep is well studied. Now, melatonin and human mood disorders, depression, insomnia, hypomania, and many kinds of mood disorders that are related with the melatonin and its physiologies. Melatonin as an antioxidant. Melatonin has antioxidant properties. It neutralizes radicals elements with an unstable electron configuration that would otherwise cause harmful oxidative damage to our tissue. Not only that, it also activates other antioxidant enzymes that will perform restorative functions. This melatonin has anti-aging substance, and that substance declines as we get older. So the inhibition or loss of melatonin is also associated with the age related illness. This melatonin has role in buffering the immune system with adjustment of the light. Now, pineal physiology and pathophysiology. The very first one is reproduction related disorders. Melatonin secretion is related with the inhibition of gonadotropin inhibitory hormone that leads to the inhibition of gonadal function in many organisms. In human beings, precocious puberty and delayed puberty have been associated with the pineal tumor and cyst. So, reproduction related disorders is also related with the melatonin. Melatonin also affects our sleep and mood. Recent studies have shown that chronic stress and poor diet are possible cause of reduced level of secretion of melatonin in human being, and that are related with the insomnia and other mood related disorders. So there also the role of melatonin is well documented. And then the pineal cyst, that is the cyst of pineal gland, is of most commonly occurs in the 10% of the people, those who are going for the CT or MRI. So this patient with pineal cyst do not display any visible symptoms, but that cysts are related with the emotional disturbances, sleep issues, many type of seizures. So pineal cyst is related with the many kinds of physiological disorders. So ultimately, in conclusions, pineal gland is established as the hormone which is related with the regulation of our sleep and wake cycle. There is well established role of pineal gland in reproduction, and it is mainly entogonadotropic, but it also has progonadal action in some of the seasonal breeders animals. In recent years, there is growing evidence to suggest that pineal plays an important role in the mechanism controlling sexual maturation and puberty, and its hormone melatonin has potential role in treating diseases associated with the biological rhythm. This gland participates in the physiological regulation of sleep and sleepiness, and it also acts as equilibrium hormone. So somewhere it maintains our homeostasis also. So it can be said that pineal gland is a gland with multiple function, including possibly even tranquilities and longevity. So here with all this I am concluding my lectures for today. Thank you.